Okay, well, hey everybody, Andy Kerr here with my friend
Daryl.
Daryl, how are you doing today?
Doing pretty okay.
Good. Well, we had a whole session of proximity on solving problems. The mayor was there. We had a great group of 20 some odd world changers, people that want to make a difference in their city, in their lives, and it was exciting. So we're going to break down and cover what it means to solve a problem. So what we talked about, we're going to break it down so you can have this information. And what is it that, give us an overview. We're talking about solving a problem. We're talking about what? We're figuring out the problem. We're figuring out where we are.
Right.
Figuring out what we want.
Right. And the kind of, we're talking about, by problems, we're talking about kind of larger problems. We can use this for looking at, what flavor ice cream cone you want to get, but what we're really talking about here is larger, city-sized community and city-sized problems, nation-sized problems, global-sized problems. These are things we're talking about, like hunger or clean water to have, or how do you solve blight in a city, or how do you design a city block, or
the things that you can't just
complicated problems that you can't just sit down and be like, oh, the answer is 4.
Right.
It's not that simple. There's a lot of gray areas. There's a lot of variables. There's a lot of other people involved. And these are difficult kinds of problems to solve, and often we get lost in the process. People get lost in what we're trying to do or how we can even start this process. And so we wanted to attack that and see if we can break that down.
Yeah, and I think, when problems are smaller, we do the things we're going to talk about more intuitively.
Yeah.
Because it's easier, but it's the same process.
Right.
What's my reality? What do I want? And how do I get there?
Yeah.
And that's really what we're going to be talking about, breaking it down. So
we're going to have 4 pieces to this. This is how it's organized. There's 2 steps. There's only 2 steps in the whole process.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. And in each step, there's 2 parts. Okay, so think of it kind of as a 1A and 1B, and a 2A and a 2B. So we're going to walk through
2B or
not.
Not 2B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to do 2B.
Okay.
We'll have it. We decided to be. So we're going to walk through each one of these steps individually, break it down for you so that you can just take this process and walk through it with your problems, and hopefully it'll provide some structure for you.
All right.
So let's get started.
All right. So coming back next, what are we starting with?
We're going to start with find the discrepancy between what is and what you want. So we're going to start and focusing on that what is.
All right. Excellent.
We'll see you there.